Okay, so today we are putting together this full-size bed frame with the Natural Rattan Headboard in a nautical-themed bedroom, and I have to say, it turned out way better than what we expected. Right out of the box, everything is well organized and labeled, which is always appreciated because I didn't have to guess which piece was which. I've assembled enough furniture to know when something is going to be a headache, and this one wasn't. The frame itself comes together with a strong metal base, and once you start connecting the pieces, it feels sturdy pretty quick. The wooden slats lay right into place, and it gives a solid support without needing a box spring, which makes setup simpler and it keeps the bed looking clean and low profile. It's definitely doable solo, but having an extra set of hands makes it go way faster. So I asked my mom to help me out, especially when lining everything up. Once we got it assembled, the real magic happened when everything came together in the room. The Natural Rattan Headboard fits perfectly with the nautical theme, and we paired it with a matching rattan mirror. It adds that warm coastal texture that keeps the room from feeling too cold or overly blue. We styled it with navy blue and white bedding, and the contrast against the light rattan just works. It gives that clean coastal look like something you'd see in a beach house, but still feels cozy and lived in. Once the mattress is on, the frame felt solid and supportive. There was no creaking, no shifting, and it holds everything in place very well. The height is nice too. It's not too high and it's not too low, just right for everyday use. I also like that it doesn't feel bulky. It keeps the room open and airy, which is exactly what you want in a coastal-inspired space. We were sent this bed to test out, to install, and see what we thought, and this bed frame ended up being way more than just functional. It actually helped pull the whole room together.